So we're here in Clovis, California. We just finished installing an ice maker box. The homeowner contacted us, and the old box, the valve had failed. We took it apart, tried to repair it. It was all in one piece, so there was no way to keep it from leaking. It was leaking at the top, no packing nut to tighten. So anyways, they had a box on site and quoted them a price of $400, and they had the box on site, so we gave them a little discount, $50. And the box is probably like $20, $30. But anyway, so what we did is we cut the copper down, took out the old hammer arrestor that aren't required by code anymore in residential construction, a couple of sharp bite fittings, which are code UPC code, and then of course a little piece of Aquapex. That's Uponor tubing, which we prefer. It's a superior PEX, the Apex, compared to the other BPEX types. Another sharp bite fitting up to a piece of copper that's soldered onto that valve, and then of course the nut that retains it. A couple of nails goes into the side. It's a little deep. Oh boy, you know what? We're gonna have to move that. So anyways, we're gonna get done with the video, and then we're gonna move that back a little bit. Outside of that, this installation is done.